Hey guys, Comic Isaac here, and today we are doing another unboxing video. Today we're going to be looking at the Jada Toys Ryu Street Fighter 2 action figure. I've been wanting a Street Fighter figure for a long time now, and I finally have one. So let's go ahead and check this guy out. Alright you guys, so here's the figure. It looks awesome. There's the sides, there's the back. You got the characters. Looks really cool. The side is the bottom, top. I like how they made this into an arcade. It's actually really cool. But let's go ahead and open up the figure. Actually, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna take this out. Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, jeez. Okay. It's got more plastic. Take this off. Okay. Here is figures. Come on. Grab it. Come on. Oh. You know, I could have just thought of this, cutting this instead of over here being an idiot, cutting the other stuff. This I can actually cut off. Here's the Hadouken. Take this out first because this is actually the first thing I actually wanted to look at. He's got his hands in there. Actual blast, the peg hole where you can actually put the stand. That's pretty cool. Let's take Ryu himself out. You are. I never said it was gonna be his hand. Okay, bro. Take. Okay, now we're good to go. Gosh. Okay, here's the. Wow, this feels really good. Whoa, this is like really soft plastic. There it is, you gotta pose right there. Go. Just go ahead and put that down. Put that right here. Get his other accessories out. Get the stand for the Hadouken. Wait, wasn't he supposed to have like an extra head? Oh yeah, right here. What is with this plastic? Oh my gosh. Oh god, I just knocked down my camera. Jeez. Here's his other headpiece. This plastic right here, I'm gonna have to be careful with because I don't want to rip it off because it's like really soft plastic. There's this like angry face. Put that right there.
And here, the actual hands. Stand part. To be honest, I thought this would be bigger. But there, I got everything out. I'm gonna organize everything. Give me a second. Alright, here we go. Here's all the accessories, the actual figure, headpiece. Let's go ahead and put this together. So, yeah, you put this here, I think. Just put that in here. Put that right in there. Boom. You got the Hadouken ready to go. It's pretty cool. Here's Ryu. Now let's talk about the detail on this figure. Detail's great. I like the McGee and everything. This is really soft plastic though. I know you can actually take this off. The actual gi. Take off his belt. And it'll take off his, like, whoops. Take off his gi. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Let's take that off. Boom. Wow, he's got butterfly joints. Not the best butterfly joints I felt, but you got ab crunch. You got a ball joint in there. You got some swivel right here. Bend the leg. But another double joint. Same thing with the other leg. Pretty cool. Head's easy to take off. Okay, got it. That was hard. Jeez. Let me just put that down. Oh, you can. Let me just put back his vest on, or his gi. I got his vest back on. I'm not even gonna lie, this is probably one of my best video game action figures. This is probably one of my best ones. Wow, Jada Toys really did a good job on this figure though. I really do like it. To be honest, I'm gonna be honest with you guys that I thought the figure would actually be a little smaller, because in the pictures it showed that he was like a little smaller in the pictures, to be honest. Just gonna take out his hand. I heard people had trouble with this. Well, I guess not me. Try the other hand. Okay, this hand is a little more difficult. Okay. Hand. This. Do Hadouken. How do you do that? Come on. Boom. You got Hadouken. Anyways, this figure is awesome. I do recommend it. It's very cool. You guys can get yours on Amazon. I got mine off Amazon. And and it was only like 22 something. It's a really good price too for Street Fighter figure, because usually if you get like a Street Fighter figure, they'll be like around 50 or 60 or $100. But if you want to get a cheap Street Fighter action figure, check out Jada Toys, because they got your back. So anyway, you guys, I hope you guys really like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. See you guys later. Bye.